Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open and edit Word files on iPhone. So I have this Word file right here, and if I'm going to go ahead and click the edit, you can see that there's no keyboard, so I can't really make changes to the text here already, so that's an issue. Now, in order for us to do that, what we're going to do is open a different application. So I'm using this one right here, Pages from Apple. I'm going to go ahead and click open. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and tap browse, and we can go ahead and start browsing. So I'm going to click this one right here and look for that particular document. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my iPhone right here, Brave downloads, and there you go. So that is the document. I'm going to go ahead and click that. All right, go ahead and click this. Okay, and then yeah, there's an issue. There's a missing font, but that's okay. Apart from that issue, I'm just going to go ahead and click the edit right here. And there you go. So I can then go ahead and proceed. So say, for example, finding the silence. All right, just something like that. You can go ahead and do different formatting options. You can go ahead and check these out right here. And when you are done, you can go over and click this one right here. You can go ahead and export, print this one, and if, say, for example, you want to save it, you have the document option right here. Click the save, rename, or whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and click this, and again, everybody, that's how you're going to open and edit Word files on iPhone.